In a serene pond nestled amidst towering trees and lush foliage, lived a small turtle named Timmy. Timmy was not like other turtles. He dreamt of exploring the vast world beyond his tranquil pond, while his fellow turtles were content to bask in the sun and swim lazily in the cool waters. Timmy yearned for adventure. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of the sun danced upon the surface of the pond, Timmy made a bold decision. He would embark on a journey to see the world beyond the familiar confines of his home. With determination burning in his heart and excitement coursing through his veins, Timmy set out on his grand adventure. As he ventured forth, Timmy encountered a myriad of wonders and challenges. He traversed sprawling meadows dotted with vibrant wildflowers, scaled rocky cliffs overlooking breathtaking vistas, and navigated dense forests teeming with life. Along the way, he encountered creatures both friendly and fierce, each with their own stories to tell. One day, as Timmy rested beneath the shade of a towering oak tree, he heard a soft whimper coming from nearby. Curious, Timmy followed the sound and stumbled upon a small rabbit caught in a thicket of thorns. Without hesitation, Timmy sprang into action, using his sharp claws to carefully free. Grateful for Timmy's kindness, the rabbit introduced herself as Rosie and offered to accompany him on his journey. Together, Timmy and Rosie continued on their quest, forging a deep bond as they faced the trials and tribulations of the world. As they traveled, Timmy and Rosie encountered a host of challenges, from treacherous rivers to towering mountains. Yet, through it all, they remained steadfast in their determination to explore the wonders of the world. One fateful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the velvety sky, Timmy and Rosie stumbled upon a bustling village nestled in a verdant valley. Intrigued by the sights and sounds of the village, they ventured forth to discover its secrets. As they explored the winding streets and bustling marketplaces, Timmy and Rosie encountered a group of children playing in a sunlit meadow. Eager to make new friends, Timmy and Rosie approached the children and introduced themselves. To their delight, the children welcomed them with open arms, eager to hear tales of their adventures. As the evening wore on, Timmy regaled the children with stories of his travels, weaving tales of daring escapades and thrilling encounters. Moved by Timmy's courage and spirit of adventure, the children vowed to accompany him on his journey, eager to explore the wonders of the world together. And so, with their newfound friends by their side, Timmy and Rosie set out once more, their hearts full of hope and excitement for the adventures that lay ahead. As they journeyed forth into the unknown, Timmy and Rosie knew that they would face many challenges and obstacles along the way. Yet, with courage in their hearts and the support of their friends, they were confident that they could overcome anything that stood in their way. Together, they explored vast plains, climbed towering mountains, and crossed rushing rivers, each new experience bringing them closer together and strengthening their bond of friendship. Along the way, they encountered all manner of creatures, from wise old owls to playful squirrels, each with their own lessons to teach and stories to share. They learned the importance of kindness, bravery, and perseverance, and they grew wiser with each passing day. As they journeyed on, they encountered a group of lost animals, a fox, a deer, and a bear, each in need of help finding their way home. With their hearts full of compassion, Timmy and Rosie vowed to help their new friends, leading them safely through the wilderness and back to their families. Through their adventures, Timmy and Rosie discovered that true courage lies not in the absence of fear, but in facing it head-on and pressing forward despite it. They learned that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and that the greatest adventure of all is the journey of the heart. Finally, after many trials and tribulations, Timmy and Rosie returned to their tranquil pond, their hearts full of memories and their spirits enriched by their adventures. As they bask in the warm glow of the setting sun, they knew that they had grown in ways they never thought possible, and that their bond of friendship would last a lifetime. And so, dear listener, as you embark on your own journey through life, remember the tale of Timmy, the brave little turtle, and his faithful friend Rosie, for in their courage, kindness, and spirit of adventure lies a lesson for us all, that with determination, compassion, and a sense of wonder, anything is possible. This concludes our tale for today. Until next time, may you find the courage to chase your dreams and explore the wonders of the world. Farewell, and may your adventures be as grand as those of Timmy, the brave little turtle, and Rosie, the kind-hearted rabbit.